to do, so she jumped in front of me. I said, go on, girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Go on.
Hey guys, so for today's video I decided to do a voiceover for you guys because I didn't feel like talking during this video while I was filming this Chola makeup look for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video as much as I do, so yeah. So as you guys could see, I've already did my eyebrows and moisturized and primed my face before I started filming this video. But right now, as you guys could see, I'm going to start going in with my brow setter to set my brows in place so they wouldn't slip throughout the day. So yeah, but anyways, now I'm going to move on to my eye base so my eyeshadows wouldn't slip throughout the day, because your girl doesn't like her eyeshadows to slip throughout the day and crease throughout the day. So this is what I'm going to be using as my eye base for today. So as you guys could see, I'm just basically using my Morphe sponge to blend out my eye base throughout my eyes so I could start moving on and start going into my eyeshadows that I'm going to be using to recreate this Chola makeup look for you guys. So yeah, this is just very simple. I'm doing is just blending out the eye base of my eyes. You guys could see, I'm just going to go in with my James Charles palette in the shade Canvas to set my actual eyeshadow base to get ready to go in with my actual shadows, because if I don't set my eyeshadow base, then my eyeshadows tend to slip off. So yeah, please always set your eyes before you start going with your actual eyeshadows, because girl, if you do this step, you'll see the major difference. And as you guys could see, I'm just literally taking a break while I'm eating, because literally, girl, I took fucking hours to fucking film this video, so that's why I took a break on showing you guys what I was eating. But anyways, you guys, I'm just gonna go in with my Kylie bronze palette to I don't know what shade this is, but I'm just gonna use this as my transition before I start going into my actual darker eyeshadows, because if you guys don't put a transition lighter shadow on your crease, guys, then your shadows won't blend well. So please do this before you start going into your actual dark shadows, because girl, you'll see the major difference. So yeah, just please do this before you start going into your actual dark shadows. So yeah, as you guys can see, now we're going to be moving on to the darker brown eyeshadow to put into my crease with this smaller eyeshadow brush that you guys seen in my other videos. I know I literally need to get more makeup brushes in my makeup videos for you guys, because this is literally all I have in my makeup collection is these two brushes that I use for my eyeshadows. So yeah, your girl needs to get more makeup brushes for her makeup videos. So yeah, this is the brush I'm going to be using to put on my crease. But anyways, you guys, now as you guys can see, now we're going to be moving on to this dark black eyeshadow just to deepen up this look even more, just to make it more Chola like, because when I did this, I felt like this made it 10 times better, you guys, because I don't know, it just looked like more Chola like to me. So yeah, I just loved how I did this and just added a little bit of the black just to deepen it up a little bit, just to make it, you know, Chola like. So yeah. But anyways, you guys, now we're going to be moving on to this white flashback James Charles shade in the James Charles palette, just to put on my lid, just to make it more Chola-like and clean-like as the picture I showed you guys in the other clips. So yeah, this look, as you guys could see, is very simple if you guys just watch and follow the steps that I do in this video, just to show you how I got this Chola makeup look for you guys. So yeah, this look is just very simple, you guys. It's very, very simple if you guys are starting to do YouTube and makeup and all that. So yeah. So as you guys could see, I'm just going to be doing my eyeliner and lashes off camera for you guys, because, you know, this video would have been too long if I show you guys the steps on how I did it. But anyways, now we're going to be going into my favorite mascara, which is the Maybelline The Rocket Volume Express Mascara in Blackest Black, just to make my lashes go with the lashes I put on during this video, so yeah. Next, I'm going to be moving on to my favorite two combinations together as my foundation, which is using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in shade Swan and my Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation in Warm Beige. I don't know why, you guys, but mixing these two combinations together make me look like a flawless, good Photoshop finish. I don't know, it just works for me, so yeah. Next, we're going to be moving on to my favorite pressed powder that I like to do before I start going with my favorite loose finishing powder, just to have my foundation and conceal just to not slip throughout the day, because if I don't do this step, you guys, literally my makeup would start creasing throughout the day and it wouldn't look that good. Like, literally, it wouldn't look that good if I didn't do this step. So yeah, just please, if you guys have dry skin, I feel like this routine would work for you. But anyways, now I'm gonna be setting my face with my favorite loose finishing powder, which is, you guys can guess, it's the Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder in the shade Light Ivory. As you guys could see, I'm just putting this around my smile lines because that's where I crease the most throughout the day, so yeah. Next, as you guys could see, we're going to be going in with my favorite bronzer, which you guys could guess is, yes, the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer with my Real Techniques sculpting brush. I don't know why, you guys, but I feel like this bronzer is worth the hype if you guys have really dry skin like me. And yeah, I don't know, you guys, it's just so good. I just love this bronzer. This is probably like my only bronzer you guys are gonna ever see in my makeup videos. I don't know, but this bronzer is just so bomb if you have dry skin, so yeah. Next, as you guys could see now, we're going to be going in with my favorite lip liner just to make my lips more like the picture that I showed you guys in the other clip, just to make it more chola-like, you know. But yeah, I'm using my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Sandstorm just to outline my actual lip shape, just to make it more like the picture I showed you guys in the other clips, so yeah. The last step we're going to be doing, you guys, is, you can guess, yes, we're just going to be adding a little bit of shine just to make this look even more like chola-like, I guess. I don't know. I just felt like putting a gloss made it 10 times better and made it more chola-like, so yeah. Oh, and also, you guys, the last part I'm going to be doing is just putting a freckle on my cheek just to make it more chola-like, so yeah. And that is it. That is literally it. But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys like this video as much as I do and love this look as much as I do. If you guys decide to recreate this look, then please don't forget to tag me and like this video and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you want any more videos from me. Just do all that. So yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.